Hey, don't forget to wear your seatbelt for safety. A poop head and a stinky monkey and a butt pickle and you have a stupid face and you're fat. Poop nose. Don't say another word or else! Why are you sweaty? What did I say? Good thing you're wearing your seatbelt for safety. I can't get away. Super smack! No! I'm gonna blow up! I totally love this house. I'd hate it if something bad happened to it. How did you get a flat tire? Dude, I'm telling you, I don't know. I mean, I thought the tires were good. Yeah, but they weren't good enough. Oh my goodness! I mean, they're guaranteed tires. I lined them with duct tape, what the heck? Stop it! How come the explosion isn't making any noise? Hey, am I on fire? Craig! The end. This commercial was brought to you by... Good thing you're wearing your seatbelt. For safety. I can't get away. Super smack! No! Wear your seatbelt. It's so safe because it's a seatbelt. And don't beat your kids for safety.